CNA Test Questions Middle School. Question 1. A resident needs to be weighed. The scale should be balanced to Option A, 5 pounds. Option B, 10 pounds. Option C, 0 before weighing. Option D, the resident's last weight. The correct answer is Option C, 0 before weighing. Question 2. A resident tells the nursing assistant, "I want to end my life." The nursing assistant should Option A, keep the information confidential. Option B, tell the resident that's a silly thought. Option C, stay with the resident and report immediately to the nurse. Option D, give the resident a hug and leave. The correct answer is Option C, stay with the resident and report immediately to the nurse. Question 3. A resident is on NPO status. What should the nursing assistant do when food trays arrive? Option A, give the resident water. Option B, remove the tray from the resident's room. Option C, let the resident eat small amounts. Option D, keep the tray in the room. The correct answer is Option B, remove the tray from the resident's room.
Stressed about your nurse aide? We can take nurse aide for you remotely and undetected. We always guarantee a pass and payments only after results. To send us an email, scan the code or tap the link in the description and let's get it done.
Question 4. When taking a radial pulse, the nursing assistant counts 15 beats in 15 seconds. What is the pulse rate? Option A, 30 BPM. Option B, 60 BPM. Option C, 90 BPM. Option D, 120 BPM. The correct answer is Option B, 60 BPM. Question 5. When providing mouth care to an unconscious resident, the resident should be positioned on their side to Option A, make it easier to reach. Option B, prevent aspiration of fluids. Option C, allow better visualization. Option D, keep them comfortable. The correct answer is Option B, prevent aspiration of fluids. Question 6. When providing peri- care for a resident with a Foley catheter, clean the catheter tubing. Option A, toward the meatus. Option B, away from the meatus. Option C, in a circular motion. Option D, by pulling on the tubing. The correct answer is Option B, away from the meatus. Question 7. What is the normal resting pulse rate for an adult? Option A, 40-60 BPM. Option B, 60-100 BPM. Option C, 100-120 BPM. Option D, 120-150 BPM. The correct answer is Option B, 60-100 BPM. Question 8. Which condition requires the nursing assistant to check the resident's feet daily? Option A, hypertension. Option B, diabetes. Option C, arthritis. Option D, COPD. The correct answer is Option B, diabetes.
Are you looking for nurse aide actual questions? Visit our website pokerexams.com to access nurse aide study guide with actual questions and answers. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description to get nurse aide answer key today.
Question 9. What is hospice care? Option A, care provided only in hospitals. Option B, healthcare for people with 6 months or less to live. Option C, care for residents with dementia. Option D, rehabilitation after surgery. The correct answer is Option B, healthcare for people with 6 months or less to live. Question 10. Which type of isolation precaution requires a private room with negative air pressure? Option A, contact precautions. Option B, droplet precautions. Option C, airborne precautions. Option D, standard precautions. The correct answer is Option C, airborne precautions. Question 11. When giving a bed bath, the water should be Option A, hot enough to kill germs. Option B, warm and comfortable. Option C, cold to stimulate circulation. Option D, as hot as the resident can tolerate. The correct answer is Option B, warm and comfortable. Question 12. What is 10:15 p.m. in military time? Option A, 1015. Option B, 1215. Option C, 2015. Option D, 2215. The correct answer is Option D, 2215. Question 13. A resident begins to have a seizure. What is the nursing assistant's priority action? Option A, place a spoon in the resident's mouth. Option B, hold the resident down to stop the movements. Option C, move furniture away and protect the resident's head. Option D, give the resident water after the seizure ends. The correct answer is option C. Move furniture away and protect the resident's head. Question 14. What is a contracture? Option A. An infection of a joint. Option B. Permanent tightening of muscles, tendons, or joints. Option C. A broken bone. Option D. A type of skin rash. The correct answer is option B. Permanent tightening of muscles, tendons, or joints. Question 15. When collecting a stool sample, the nursing assistant should: Option A. Mix the stool with urine. Option B. Collect from the toilet bowl. Option C. Avoid contaminating the sample with urine. Option D. Collect from the commode. The correct answer is option C. Avoid contaminating the sample with urine. Question 16. What is the most essential nutrient for life? Option A. Protein. Option B. Carbohydrates. Option C. Water. Option D. Fat. The correct answer is option C. Water. Question 17. When assisting a resident with a transfer using a gait belt, the belt should be placed: Option A. Around the neck. Option B. Around the waist, snug but not tight. Option C. Around the thighs. Option D. Under the arms. The correct answer is option B. Around the waist, snug but not tight. Question 18. The goal of restorative care is to: Option A. Cure the resident's disease. Option B. Help the resident regain or maintain their highest level of function. Option C. Keep the resident in bed. Option D. Prepare the resident for surgery. The correct answer is option B. Help the resident regain or maintain their highest level of function.
Stressed about your nurse aide? We can take nurse aide for you remotely and undetected. We always guarantee a pass and payments only after results. To send us an email, scan the code or tap the link in the description and let's get it done.
Question 19. The nursing assistant is caring for a resident with a wound infection. Which PPE should be worn? Option A. Gloves only. Option B. Gloves and gown. Option C. Gloves, gown, and mask. Option D. Gloves, gown, mask, and goggles. The correct answer is option B. Gloves and gown. Question 20. A resident is able to feed themselves but is very slow. The nursing assistant should: Option A. Take the spoon and feed them quickly. Option B. Allow ample time and offer encouragement. Option C. Feed them only liquids. Option D. Rush them to finish. The correct answer is option B. Allow ample time and offer encouragement. Question 21. The nursing assistant is helping a resident bathe. The resident has a reddened area on the sacrum that does not blanch, turn white, when pressed. This indicates: Option A. Normal healthy skin. Option B. Stage 1 pressure injury. Option C. Stage 2 pressure injury. Option D. A bruise that is healing. The correct answer is option B. Stage 1 pressure injury. Question 22. Which of the following is a sign of dehydration? Option A. Dark yellow urine. Option B. Increased urine output. Option C. Wet skin. Option D. Edema. The correct answer is option A. Dark yellow urine. Question 23. A resident is incontinent of urine. The nursing assistant should: Option A. Change the resident only during scheduled rounds. Option B. Change the resident as soon as they are wet. Option C. Apply powder to soak up moisture. Option D. Restrict fluids. The correct answer is option B. Change the resident as soon as they are wet. Question 24. When counting respirations, the nursing assistant should: Option A. Tell the resident they are counting respirations. Option B. Count after exercise. Option C. Count while appearing to take the pulse. Option D. Count for 10 seconds and multiply by 6. The correct answer is option C. Count while appearing to take the pulse. Question 25. A resident is on INO, intake and output. Which of the following is not recorded as intake? Option A. Water. Option B. Soup. Option C. Gel -O. Option D. The water used to bathe. The correct answer is option D. The water used to bathe.